Airweave lets you turn any app into accessible agent knowledge. So I've already followed these steps here and I have Airweave running locally. And I'm going to show you how to set up a synchronization between an Asana workspace and the long-term memory of your agent. So here I'm picking the native Weaviate that comes with Airweave, but this could also be a graph database or both. It's kind of whatever you prefer to build your agent's knowledge with. So I'm picking this and I'm starting the synchronization. So what Airweave is doing now is it's going through the workspace in Asana and it's fetching all of these chunks that it's then embedding and putting inside of our Weaviate instance. So we have this sort of beta feature here that lets us play with this information as sort of a sanity check. And it allows us to just chat with the information that we are synchronizing. So I've done this synchronization before, and I'm going to ask it a question to see if it actually memorizes properly what we have in our Asana workspace. So I'm asking if I have a meeting with Samji still. And it's saying, well, there is a task titled schedule a meeting with Samji, and it's marked as not completed. So we go to our Asana workspace, we go here, and indeed, we actually have a ticket that was not marked as completed yet. So one of the things that you can do with Airweave, let's say you are building your own agent application and you want to use Airweave's capability to use the synchronization. What we've done here, we've created this demo application that shows this white label integration where, let's say you have a taskbot assistant that works on Asana data. You can use Airweave's capabilities to pull off all of the information from your user's Asana workspace and then move that into the agent memory where you want to have it. If we go back to Airweave, you can actually see that we have these white labels set up and we just started a synchronization for that white label. Now, of course, if you are a developer, a more typical setting would be to use the API. And for that, you can go to the documentation. And I've already prepared a task here for our search endpoint that allows us to retrieve all of the open tasks related to Python. Oops. So here we see that the endpoint returns across multiple synchronizations. I can see 2 uncompleted tasks related to Python programming language, etc. So here you can see how to, as a developer, how to use Airweave to look through your users' information. Thanks.